one of the best things you can do along the coast to be able to see this gorgeous city. So you arrive here just south of the airport, southwest of downtown, and you'll check in, and when you do, they'll go over a safety briefing. Most likely there'll be people in front of you. Here's this amazing family we met from Austin, Texas, and they went flying, their kids went flying, and they had such a great time. So we had the chance to watch them. You take off and you're like, wait a minute, did I just take off? Yeah. So we just recently did this with our friend in Lima, and this was awesome. So you can see the guys get this fan cranking, and with these amazing coastal breezes, you take off in like 15 feet or 5 meters, and all of a sudden, you're above the ocean. That's right. So you do a few loops on your flight. And this video is going to give you a full description so you can see POV view of how amazing this experience is. Look at this ocean. So you're going to be going along here, and you're going to be climbing, and you're going to be looking everywhere. We just had someone say they saw dolphins in the ocean. We didn't see any, but this is an amazing flight. So the instructor is very good. And what he's going to do in these 15 minutes is he's going to take you through 4 districts right here in southwest Lima. The first one is San Miguel, then Magdalena, then San Isidro, and Miraflores. And as you're cruising along, you're going along and you are just seeing this amazing coastline. So if you've read any reviews, paragliding in Lima is just outstanding because what it offers is a bird's eye perspective of this beautiful Costa Verde meeting with the Pacific Ocean. And then of course the Miraflores Boardwalk or the El Malecon and the park. So if you're a photographer or a videographer, you're going to be in love. After a lot of research, we decided to go with Condor Xtreme. And I just want to shout out to them for the complimentary flight they gave us. But as always, our reviews are unbiased and honest. You can see this GoPro in front of us, this big stick. And I happen to have my Insta360 so I could look all around. And I also flew a drone of different people during their flights. But look how amazing this is. And the pilot, he's very keen, he's watching, he's looking up, looking down, and you're just sitting there holding this GoPro and just enjoying this incredible view. They give you this GoPro 15-minute full HD video shot in 1080 by 720, 30 frame rate, and they get that linked to you the next day. So that is an amazing inclusion, and you can see a lot of these videos are also with my Insta360. If you've ever been scuba diving or if you've been in a hot air balloon, you know that you move with the air or the current, and that's exactly how it is. So you've got these headphones on and you're just like so relaxed and peaceful. As you go up on your flight, you're going to make several loops, and you can see how amazing it is, but you'll enjoy 10, 12, 15 minutes, and before you know it, you are going to be landing. Well, I just want to say, if you are enjoying this video, please share with friends, comment if you'd like to do it, subscribe for more awesome adventures. And don't forget to check out all the Peru awesome travel videos in the link below. Take a look at these landings. Look how smooth they are. So the landing is actually, like when you touch your first wheels, it's only like 20 feet, and you are maybe even sooner than that. And the guys come right to you, and they grab the GoPro, they make sure that you're good, and you have just experienced an incredible part of Lima, Peru. I would say this is a 10 out of a 10 adventure in Peru. You know, you're gonna eat your way through Lima. You're gonna see the amazing architecture and archaeology and the culture and the food. But you need to put this on your list, on the short list of what to do when you are in Lima, Peru. So a big thanks to Condor. I can't wait to visit you next time on our trip to Peru. Wow, what a thrilling, amazing experience this was. Hey, thanks for watching the video. Please share, comment, like, and subscribe for more awesome bucket list adventures in Peru and all over the world.